Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, giveaways. Today we have a Sydney Grace palette, Chase Your Dreams. I did get this on our clearance and it's like on sale for like 10 bucks. So go and grab it. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk a little bit about it. We are going to do some swatches, do some looks, give you my final thoughts, and we're giving away a brand new one of these to one of you. Yes, I picked it too. So this is our monthly eyeshadow palette for the month of October, my birthday month. So here's what she looks like on inside. This is mine. Like I said, I do have a brand new one for you. Isn't touched, isn't swatched, anything. I do all of my looks on this one here. So it's really bright, it's cheerful, it's colorful. It's, you know, you do some fun looks with it. This one, I used every single color in this palette on the look that I have on my eyes today. You could also very easily do an everyday natural look as well. So the Dream is a really warm tone, gold with metallics in it. I love using it like I did today as an inner corner. Aspire's kind of a medium, warm toned metallic shade. I have that on the inner third of my eye today. Be Bold is a medium, kind of warm toned, matte coral shade. The Chase is a medium warm tone, kind of darkish red shade. It is a metallic finish. So you can get, I mean, these are just colors so far, but you can really get a fall inspired look. Let's do that last one really quick. You Can is a warm tone, kind of medium dark copper with a semi-matte finish. It is kind of more on the creamier side. But just with like those shades there, you can definitely do kind of fall inspired look. Don't Quit is a medium warm tone, dark purple. It's like, oh. It does have a little bit of a pearl finish to it. The Drive is a medium warm toned dark purple with a metallic finish. This is my favorite shade in here. Your Best is a medium toned kind of plum shade with a metallic finish. And Enjoy the Journey is a cool toned matte black. And it's a really good black, you guys. I mean, look at that. Look how dramatic those shades are. So, so pretty. Okay, let's get in a couple of the looks. So I think for today, let's go for a nice, easy, everyday look. And then my next one will kind of hopefully use all the colors in here. So I'm going to take Be Bold right here. It is pretty pigmented. So I'm just going to put a little on my brush here, knock it off. I'm going to go into that crease. I've got my brush kind of upside down right now, so it can get to that upper part of the crease. And flip it around. And then I want to blend that a little bit. And then I'm going to take a little bit of this You Can just on that kind of outer edge here. It's highly pigmented. And then I'm just going to blend that a little bit. I'm going to take my shield here. So I don't like putting pinks and kind of, you know, mauve colors underneath my eyes because I really, really look sick if I do that. So we're just going to stay with the upper. And I'm going to go, this is inner, center, outer. Just my finger. So, so pretty, you guys. Okay, I know it looks like a hot mess right now, but because I did want a little bit of that shimmer coming up because I have such hooded eyes, but we're gonna kind of blend that all together here. I'm just going on top, blending it here. The eyelids itself are pretty okay. It's just this upper portion. Just where my finger couldn't reach in the very inner corner, I am gonna take this one right here. And then why not, for a little bit of fun, let's take that gold on the tear duct and maybe a little bit below. Okay, let me put some mascara and finish off the lips and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. Let's do something kind of fun today try and use all the colors in here. We'll see. I do want to start with the Enjoy the Journey. Let's put that into the crease and outer corner. And then I always start with the outer corner first and then come in. That way it's not so intense on the inside. And then I want to go right above that with You Can. Shades are so intense. I know it's going to look like a hot mess for a little bit, but it's okay. And then let's go right above that with Be Bold. Now I kind of want to blend all of that using my little trusty brush here. I'm going to start at the top and then work my way down. So now for the actual lid space, let's use the dive kind of on this third, and then on the inner third, let's use Don't Quit. Such a pretty shade is the Drive. It's so, so pretty. And now I'm going into that Don't Quit. Just kind of work those kind of in between to get the blend that you want. Now for the lower lash, I'm just going to do the same thing where I'm going to have this one on the inner lower lash, this one in the center, and then this one on the outside. So let's start with that Don't Quit. I always start with the lighter shade first, that way you can use the same brush. And I want to leave the very tear duct very close to the inner corner as I can. We're going to use this gold, so we'll save that for a little bit. So let's start about here. Okay, let's grab the Drive. And then let's grab Enjoy the Journey. Give a little flick at the end. Careful not Enjoy the Journey because it's pretty intense. You're going to have to do a good job with the blend. There you go. And I do want to come underneath all of that with this Be Bold shade here. Just kind of give it a little more of a blend, especially in this outer corner here. I think for the shimmers, what I'm going to do is put this one in the very outer corner. Next to that, let's do, which one's lighter there? I'm thinking this one. Let's do this one, the Don't Quit, and then the Chase. and then Aspire here, and then we'll do the gold in, which is the Dream in the very inner corner. So start with that outer corner here with Your Best. Just with my finger, tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Don't quit. Tap, tap, tap. Tap, tap, tap. Chase right in the center. Aspire on the inner third. I'm loving how this is turning out. Kind of do a little back and forth to do a blend. And then I want to grab that Chase, the gold one, on a brush because I have a hard time getting my fingers into where I want. Okay, let's put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. Secret word of the day is birthday, because it's my birthday month. I thought it was pretty good. For whatever reason, I had an easier time today blending the colors together than I did in that first look. So take that for what it's worth. I think it's a pretty good palette. It's great for the fall. So what do you need to do to win your very own one of these? In the description box down below is a Google form link. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes you are subscribed to the channel, and also put on it that secret word. Giveaways are really easy. Just watch the videos in the entirety and know the secret words in here. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun laid back group here and you must be in order to win. If you can do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it all, and if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings, mark those. I want you guys to know when I upload, definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways, because I do them a lot here, and we are so close to that 2,000 subscriber, and there's a big giveaway that's going to happen when we hit that, so if you haven't helped us get there yet, please do. So you can get bonus entries for the giveaway, and how that works is you only fill out the form once, but you can mark it if you did do the bonus entries. But only mark if you did do them, if you actually did, because I do check and you don't want to get disqualified. So your first way is if you go follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you follow me on X, formerly Twitter. That's BeautyAmaB, followed by the number 1. Your third way is if you go follow me on TikTok. That's Christina Marie, BeautyAmaB. And your fourth way is if you share the video with your family, friends, on your socials. I'm trying really hard to grow the channel higher, and I can only do it with your help. And I just wanted a way to reward you guys for doing so. YouTube's no way responsible for this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaways open internationally. I am not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Now, I always want to point out, especially when it's an eyeshadow palette giveaway, remember the damaged part. I try and pack up things pretty good, but every once in a while, you never know what happens in the mail, and one of the eyeshadows might be broken. So I just wanted to point that out, that I'm not responsible for that. So let's have the giveaway go through November 3rd, midnight Mountain Standard Time. And then on November 8th, what I'll do is I will do a video for you guys announcing all the giveaway winners for the month of October. So you need to enter a different form for each of the different giveaways that's going on. And what I'll do is I'll take the first name, first initial of your last name. If everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing for the bonus entries. Put that in the computer spins it around, the computer picks. I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't sell it. I don't do anything like that. So if you like this video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel. When you do, YouTube will now go ahead and insert another video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe. Take care of yourselves. Take care of one another. And I will see you soon. Bye. Good luck in the giveaway. Woo!